To install SSMS 21, you can navigate to the following URL to have it downloaded. URL is in the description. The Bootstrapper installs the latest version of the Visual Studio installer. The installer is a separate program that provides everything you need to both install and customize SSMS. Shortly, the Visual Studio installer opens up. Now, you can customize SSMS installation with the workload that we want to include in the installer. Note that this is optional. As you can see, SQL Server Management Studio 21 is downloaded and installing. When the installation is complete, you will be prompted to restart the server. Upon restart, you can launch the SQL Server Management Studio 21 from the Start menu. To connect to the SQL Server instance, kindly enter the server name and under the connection properties.